welcome back to the channel. So I'm excited to bring to you guys for the month of July the new subscription box we are trying out for this month. I am loving this series. I think it's fun, something different. We get to see like other subscription boxes that are out there. There's a ton of them. There is a website I go to just look at subscription boxes, and it has like a crazy ton of them on there. It's called cratejoy.com. I will have it linked down below in case you guys are curious about the website, and you can just go there, check them out. So today we are going to be checking out the box called Sweat and Sparkle. It's a fitness, nutrition, beauty, and balance box. So here's what it came in. It was shipped just like this. Has a little stickery logo thing here on the front. Okay, so I have Cratejoy pulled up where I subscribe to Sweat and Sparkle at, and I'm not able to find how much it was each month. I want to say it was around $30 a month for this, but it does say that they ship out between the 12th and 14th of each month. Ships worldwide from the United States. So basically what you will get in the box is fitness gear to help you with your workouts, new and exciting, healthy snacks and supplements, beauty and self-care products so you can look and feel your best. And yeah, so that's basically what you will get in your box. But I will pop up on the screen how much it did cost to get the box. That way you guys will know. But I just can't find it at the moment. So let's go ahead and dive into the box, guys. So when you open it up, here's what it looks like. It's just got some white tissue and a little pink thank you sticker. And they do include a little pamphlet or a little like paper listing everything you get in the box and the value of each item. I really do appreciate that because lately with like BoxyCharm and Ipsy, they have not been putting the value of the items nor what you're getting in your box on the little cards. I think it's dumb. So first thing I see in the box is this little Fanny Pack. It's by the brand Voorey. I've never even heard of this brand. It's a Voorey Active Fanny Pack. Retails for $20. It's a sleek, performance-driven companion for life in motion. This water-resistant fanny pack has a headphone port and inner mesh divider that stays put while you are getting your sweat on. So basically, like, you can put your phone in here. And there's like a little hole right here. So once your phone is in there, you can be able to, you know, bring your headphones like in through there and plug it in and be able to hold your phone in here. So that's like really cool. So you can just have this on you while you're, you know, jogging, biking, you know, any of that kind of stuff. So this is really cool. And then the next thing I see in the box is this jump rope. It is a $13 value. It says it's a quality jump rope. Is one of the most important pieces of equipment for fitness training. Jumping rope is super effective functional exercise, which is why you'll see it used in training regimens of so many athletes in such a variety of sports. So it's just a like gray handled and like clear jump rope. So I'm actually really interested to try this out. Yeah, I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video, I like started working out the beginning of quarantine, and now I just have trying to keep working out, but it's really difficult since I'm back at work. But I got this box thinking, oh, maybe it would keep me inspired to keep working out, even though it's kind of hard to. So the next thing we got is this Bada Bean, Bada Boom, I guess is the brand. They're cocoa dusted crunchy broad beans. I don't know what broad beans are. So it says enjoy a round of the world of Enjoy around the world for their delicious flavor and satisfying crunch. Broad beans are a nutrition powerhouse packed with protein and fiber, the best kept secret in a healthy snack. So here's what they look like. Just come in this. It's a good size package. This retails for only $3, so that's pretty affordable. Like, if I enjoyed it, I could easily pick this up if I saw it at the store, but I don't think I've ever seen anything like this at Walmart or nothing. So the next thing we got is this. Let's see. This isn't even on here. Maybe this was just like a free thing. Basically, it's a laundry detergent. It's called Rockin' Green. Yeah, so basically I guess it's just some detergent to help your athletic clothes smell good. It's just like a little sample packet, so it's probably good for like 1 or 2 loads of wash. But yeah, it says 1 use on the front, but I could probably get 2 out of this. And then the last thing we have in the box is this Smart Life Push Journal. This retails for $25. It says, get ready for the most productive 30 days of your life. Create balance and achieve goals faster than you ever dreamed possible with this all-in-one life planner. So, little did this box know, I love planners. I love bullet journaling. I'm all about that life. So here's just kind of a quick little inside peek of what it looks like. You have like an area for goals, you have a random task area, and then you can go so far as scheduling out your entire day. It has every hour listed over here, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, those are the items I received in my Sweat and Sparkle box. I think I will use almost all of these items except for maybe the Fanny Pack. Unless I maybe go outside for a walk. I do a lot of indoor exercise videos and stuff like that from YouTube, but, or if, you know, like, if you went to an amusement park, I'm sure I could use a Fanny Pack then, but overall I think I'm going to use all these items. I'm really excited about the jump rope to be able to incorporate that into some of my workout routines, and then the the journal, the Smart Push Journal. I am very excited about that. So if you all enjoy these new, this new video series I'm doing, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to support me. And I will be coming at you in the month of August with a new box. So y'all stay tuned for that, and don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching. So check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.